Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the X-Wing build number 72. And as you can see on the side camera here, we've got the whole thing put together, and I'm quite happy with that being quite straight, because that's the whole thing that you really need to get together. But now apparently, according to the magazine, we're going to put everything, all the wiring together, and we can test. But that I'm not too sure about that, because Wayne has been telling us that you can only do that in stage 74, because then you've got everything together. But let's try and test it. I've got batteries waiting to be put into the X-Wing and into the remote, so we can find out what the whole thing is about. So let's have a quick look in this magazine. You can see all these frame parts, which are all on the side here. And let me just put that there. And oh, my cookie is all there. And then we're starting to put in cable 19, cable. We're loosening cables from the fuselage right here. This is going to look strange. Sorry about that. From the nose cone, and we're going to put that in. Then we're going to get the spinning thing for the R2-D2 unit in. Then we're going to put all those in. 16, we're going to put 17 in. Then we're going to put batteries in, and then we're going to put the cockpit in there as well, and see what it all does. So then we're going to find out if everything works. This is a little fun thing we got in this stage as well, which is, as you can see, supposed to be Luke, but that's it. That's funny. And then we've got all these wires. We've got that at already, the remote control. We've got more of them. We've got the nose cone there. We've got the cockpit there and motor for the R2-D2 units. But we're going to start with number 19 and put that into the frame. Let's see where number 19 is. Right there. That's where 19 is. We're going to be using the tweezer a little bit more here because the thing is already in there. Okay, 19 is in. I've got 20 here as well, which we're not using, but I'm going to put in anyway. This is the little thing that we can use to for an extent for a plug to put it into the socket straight away. So we've got those done. Now we're going to get those out. I'm not going to show you that because that's boring. This is number 9, and I'm going to put a line underneath so I know that means to be 9. And 9 goes where? Got it. Okay, that's out. Number 9 is the one right there. And we're probably going to take these out again because this doesn't reach to the nose. So we've got the switch for the nose cone, the wheels, landing gear. Yeah, God, I'm searching for these words now and again. Then after that, we're gonna get that one out, and we're putting everything for that in. Yeah, okay. So this is number 15. We've got number 17 on the other side. So we need to put it in like so. Sorry about that. Scared the bejesus out of you, maybe. Then 16 needs to go in like so. Yep. And the only thing we've got open is this moment as 11, and that's this one. It would be wiser for me to have put those in afterwards, but I'm going to put the batteries in. Oh, yep, I put those the wrong way around. As you can see, that's lighting up. It shouldn't be lighting up, so I need to switch that around, but I'll do that afterwards. because I want to test everything before I take that off. Okay, switch number 1 is, as you can see, the cockpit, which is too bright. Maybe on the top camera you can see that a little bit better. Switch number 2 are the lasers, as you can see, which I put the top one the wrong way around, but we can fix that. The back are the backlights, as you can see right there. That is R2-D2 unit, and the last one I want to test are the wings, and that's the middle one, and I'm going to put that to the face camera. I'm pretty darn happy with that. Cool. Everything works, guys. Yeah, okay, the only thing I need to do, and I'll stop the camera and do that offline, is rewire those two, because I put them the wrong way around. But that shouldn't be a hard fix to do. I just need to pop this one out, and then the wires that come out of here I need to switch. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, you guys. Well, after a lot of struggling, I got it all to work again, and I switched the light on up. Although I've got a little bit of grinding going on now, but if before it was worse. So let's see if everything works. As you can see right there, the cockpit lights go on. These are the lasers, as you can see right there. Then right here we see the lights in the back go on. You see that on my hand there. Let me just on my hands right there. And then the last one is the R2-D2. Wow. I just had a little bit of grinding, but no grinding at all. The lights there in the back, you can see it shine on me. This one. There you go. And I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to unplug everything that we put in extra to put it all to make sure that we can check it. And I think, yep, that's that for this stage. So thank you very much for watching again, and please like, subscribe, and pass it on. And I do hope to see you next time on the next part of this beautiful X-Wing, for instance. But check out my channel, there are quite a lot more. And we've just started the Lamborghini Countach, we have the Lamborghini Miura, and we have a hell of a lot more. So check it out. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.